So, what I want to tell you today is that traditional banks are not web3 friendly and crypto friendly. You probably all know about that. But I also want to say that traditional crypto exchanges are not entrepreneur friendly, not startup friendly, and not business friendly. 47% of UK banks don't allow customers to interact with crypto exchanges, all customers. When it comes to business clients of these banks, it's almost impossible to interact with any crypto exchanges. 24 of them, of banks, are deemed to be crypto-friendly. What does it mean? It means that maybe you can receive some kind of payments from Kraken, Binance, Coinbase, maybe 100 euros, maybe 50 euros. Everything above will be banned by a bank. So, and that, it's not really business friendly, right? If you want to operate as a Web3 company, that's pretty annoying because you need thousands and thousands of euros every day to make your business operate. So, what is next? And why I'm telling you that? Pretty simple. My name is Alex Gatz. I'm CEO of Banxe, a banking solution with cryptocurrency. Originally, I'm Ukrainian, and I'm here to transform traditional banking by implementing cryptocurrency and helping businesses by providing reliable, convenient, flexible banking. So let's think about what we had before modern banking is here. We had travel companies, we had real estate agencies, we had traditional banks, we had accounting firms, portfolio management companies, and that was all different companies. It was like so many firms you need to contact to make this. Today, you have Revolut for that. You have N26, you have Wise, you have Conta, the great French company. And all of them helping you with your real estate, they're helping you with your payments. And that's how our bank's looking today. But also what is interesting that there's a lot of startups that are trying to take the niche where they will be professionals, like Robinhood, like Betterment, and like Sit Invest. And that's very interesting because we have Revolut and 26 and all of them that actually taking everything that you may need in one place. And then you have niche players like Robinhood. But what's the problem here? The problem is very simple. Revolut saying it's crypto friendly, but if you're a business want to operate with cryptocurrency, it's not going to help you. Same with N26, same with Wise and Conto. Robinhood is not going to help you with your business, same with Sit Invest and Betterment. So, if you're a crypto or Web3, it's not going to work. But you know that interesting statistics that 25% of all crypto activities are in Europe. 25, it's a pretty big number, isn't it? And when you think about that, it's strange that in Europe or UK, you don't have any crypto bank that will really help your business to operate. When we talk about Europe, France, Germany, Spain, Italy, Poland, Europe is a standard setter when it comes to user experience and regulations. We don't like regulations, but regulations make cryptocurrency more adopted to our market. And that's very important, because if we think about countries with bigger crypto adoption, like, not countries, regions, like Africa, South America, Asia, it's true that they adopted crypto really good. But the problem is that they don't have a really good regulations, so that's a gray zone there. In Europe, cryptocurrency is not a gray zone anymore. You can buy real estate with cryptocurrency. You can get salary in cryptocurrency. You can pay salary as a business to your employees in cryptocurrency. Last year, in south of France, someone bought a villa for cryptocurrency. And that's really exciting. And when you think about that, we really need more crypto-friendly banks because Europe is standard setter. What we also need as a business, all of you, I guess, doing some kind of business in Web3, that's why you're here on Virtuality today, we need faster banks. We need faster replies for customer support from our managers in banks. We need faster transfers. I don't want to wait 5 days for a bank transfer anymore. When I have cryptocurrency that takes seconds, I want faster banks. I want a bank that's 100% online. I don't want to see brick and mortar anymore. And that's the future, that the bank will be 100% remote. The KYC procedure will be remote, if we need one. All the transfer you can make, 100% online. All the bank statements will be 100% online. Because as a Web3 company, all of you, you don't want to go to the office and ask someone, can you please make me a bank statement? That's annoying. So we're expecting that future banks will be 100% online, no brick and mortar. We need more coffee. Please leave this space for coffee shops. What's interesting that 100% online and 100% virtual is a little bit different. In the beginning of 2000s, people were like super excited about debit cards, the plastic cards. Today, actually, no one is using plastic cards anymore. We have Apple Watch that can be your debit card. But what I expect in next 10 years, that we need no physical evidence of your payment method anymore. What I mean here, that you don't need debit cards, you don't need virtual cards, you don't need anything. You just need to probably link your face to your bank account. And you can pay with your face or with just a palm, which you give to the shop and they scan it and you pay with that. That sounds more interesting than taking your debit card. You can lose debit card. Someone can steal your debit card. Your face cannot be stolen. I hope so. So yeah, the biometrical banking, that's what I'm talking about. Imagine you coming to the subway station and instead of buying a ticket, paying with your debit card for it, you're just coming to the gate and it's scanning your face. That sounds more futuristic. Same, you're going to, I don't know, H&M, Zara, and instead of getting your iPhone to pay for that, you just scan your face and they take money from your bank account. Sounds a little bit scary, but still make your life a little bit convenient. But yeah, that's more all about user experience. And definitely the user experience in banking is something that we expect in future, in upcoming decade. But when it comes to cryptocurrency, what we want having a traditional banking that is united with cryptocurrency. And that's very important because you cannot survive in our world as a Web3 company without traditional banking. You must have an opportunity to make traditional transfers because some of the companies, some of people, they don't want to interact with cryptocurrency nowadays, unfortunately. But all of us here, we are pioneers, we're early adopters of cryptocurrency, and we're trying to bring cryptocurrency to the world. So we need to have an opportunity to unite money and crypto. I want to receive cryptocurrency. I want to convert cryptocurrency in euros and pay for my office. Or I want to receive, for example, money from a client in euros. I want to convert these euros into cryptocurrency and pay salaries to my employees that are 100% remote. I don't want to have an office anymore. I don't need that. I want my developers be on Bali, Thailand, I don't know, where, Cuba, whatever. I don't care where they are as far as they making me money. So I want to pay in a fast, convenient way. And cryptocurrency is the convenient way. So that's why I need the opportunity to have money and crypto in one place and the opportunity to interact with both as a business. But also, the problem is that there's no bank that will help me with that. And I demand, and I hope all of you demand, is a crypto tolerance from financial institutions in Europe, from banks, from payment solutions, and from all of them. Because when you interact with cryptocurrency, and if a bank will know about that, that you're, I don't know, you're a blockchain developer, you're a metaverse, they will tell you, yeah, that sounds good, but we don't want you. You're a high-risk client. High-risk client, I'm developing a metaverse. What's the high risk here? I just want to have a bank account, and they tell you, no, I'm sorry, or please pay $1,000 a year for that. That's annoying, again, and I encourage you to demand a crypto tolerance from your payment institutions. You need to explain them what are you doing. You need to explain what is web3, because traditional banks, traditional financial institutions, they're really bad in new things. They don't want you to be modern. They don't want you to be enthusiastic about what you do. They want you to be very conservative. So when you talk with your banks and they tell you that you're a high-risk client because you are a Web3, you're a crypto, you're a Bitcoin, whatever they tell you, try to explain them. Because crypto tolerance is the next step for development of Web3 environment in Europe. But instead of talking to your bank and explaining what is Web3, you can come to Banxe, to my banking solution, which is crypto tolerant and which give you money and crypto. So we provide you with a payment account and corporate crypto wallet to your business. You can receive and send traditional payments like SEPA and SWIFT, but you also can receive on-chain and off-chain crypto transactions. You can buy and sell cryptocurrency with us, any amount, and you will have a dedicated IBAN. We also have faster payments. We have some other cool things. Our debit card is coming soon. We have non-custodial wallet, so in case something will happen, like another FTX crash, it's not going to happen to you when you're using Banxe. So let's stop with the advertisement here and go next. I want to encourage you to demand customer-first approach from your bank. That's what we need. I'm super tired. A few years ago, when I was trying to open a bank account for Banxe, I faced so many problems with banks that they don't care about you, especially big banks like Barclays, like all the high street banks. They don't care about you. If you're small, if you're a startup, they're not going to help you. They're not going to explain you what to do. So when you looking for a banking partner, and remember that for a startup, for a Web3 company, for crypto, whatever, the most important thing is to find a reliable partner that will answer all your questions, that will help you with your transaction, because you don't want to be in the situation when you're making a payment and it disappears and no one answering your question. I had this kind of situation before. I don't like it. So I encourage all of you to demand customer-first banking approach. And that's what we need, and that's the banking of future. So the last thing I want to say, that I was explaining you what we expect from banks. The user experience. We expect crypto tolerance. We expect money and crypto in the same place. We expect so many things, but in my opinion, that in 20, 30 years, we don't need any middlemen. That's the idea of Web3. We don't need it. So the future of banking, no banks, no middleman, no payment solution, P2P transactions, and that's all what we need. That was me, Alex Gatz, Banxe, Future of Banking. Thank you very much. I mean, I have 5 minutes extra, so if someone have any questions to me, I will be happy to answer.
Hi, Alex. I saw you're not typically a bank, but as a banking solutions. I am sorry, I missed the first part because I had some stuff to manage.
No worries.
But do you offer loans, for example, offers, or if I am a young startup and I need some cash flow, do you have specific offers for that?
Yeah, so we are not providing offers, any loans. The reason is because we're an electronic money institution, not a bank, so we don't have a banking license. So in case with Banxe, you're having a payment solution, you can make transfers, but you cannot ask us for any loan, unfortunately. Or fortunately, we never know. Any other questions from the audience? Yeah, great. So no questions. Thank you very much again.